And I was born 1956 in Maitland. My late mom, Suleila Fisher, and late father was Suleiman Fisher, and the two of them moved on to Retreat. The community there, they were Muslims, but of course there wasn't real education, Islamic education or anything going on there. So the two of them then started off by actually having madrasa. Of course, I was het genoemd Islamse school in die huis, in die voorkamer. They have to listen to the adhan, Maghrib during Ramadan in Steenberg. So if the wind is blowing in another direction, they can't hear it. So what my parents did is they actually got a horn which they fitted to the roof. My late brother, Allah grant him Jannah, he then would actually make the adhan for Maghrib so people could know it's time to break their fast. Later years, they acquired through